Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Credit Karma Easy Guide. Open the Credit Karma app or website and sign in with your email and password, then confirm your identity if prompted. From the dashboard, review your credit scores and credit report sections, check personalized recommendations, and set up alerts for changes. Use the tools to simulate credit score impacts, explore loan offers, and monitor accounts for errors or fraud regularly. Create an account by entering your email, password, and basic personal details, then verify your email address to continue. Add Social Security number to fetch your credit report securely and answer verification questions accurately. Link existing bank or loan accounts for better recommendations, but only connect trusted sources. Set up alerts for score changes, enable two-factor authentication for security, and review privacy settings to control what Credit Karma shares. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more easy personal finance tips. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, a handy gadget for Alexa timers and reminders when tracking budgets. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider this small upgrade for hands-free alerts. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Credit scores come from VantageScore models and reflect information in your credit reports, including payment history, balances, and account age. Focus on on-time payments, reducing revolving balances, and avoiding new credit inquiries to improve scores. Use the Credit Karma breakdowns to see which accounts impact each score and review soft inquiry history when checking offers. Regularly dispute errors you find on reports, and consider using the simulator tools to test potential actions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.